Schools may have specific needs throughout the year. You may discover areas in your learning culture that need capacity building. Outlook Academy can meet you at your specific level of need regardless of how complex the issue may be. For example, a school may become out of compliance with special education, or teachers may need a lift in spirit and approach to instruction, or your classroom or school needs help with behavior management and culture building. Outlook Academy offers the following ongoing school and classroom support services. 1. Outlook Academy offers continuous special education guidance and coaching services. 2. Outlook Academy is the doorway to the Outlook University Starter College, Middle College, and Adult Learners programming. These programs serve as academic and behavioral interventions for elementary, middle, and high school grade students. 3. Outlook Academy dives deep into teacher and administrator development. We offer coaching services to teachers and principals. 4. Outlook Academy is also a pathway into teaching for adult learners through the alternative route to licensure programming that focuses on the whole student. 5. Outlook Academy offers academic camps developed to meet the needs of your specific learning environment. Lastly, 6. Outlook Academy offers a strong home-to-school agenda that focuses on building family capacity through community partnerships. Outlook Academy can help your school drive its community engagement in a way that will inspire your learning environment at school. It's easy to contact Outlook University for services. Just email drwill@ouisn.org or go to www.ouisn.org and press the Services tab. Let's work.